Analyzing MUSINSA. In this video, I will explain how MUSINSA adhere to and depart from the various usability requirements included in the 8 golden laws of interface design, as well as the accessibility guidelines established by the W3AG Web Content Accessibility Guidelines. So first, what is MUSINSA? MUSINSA is a popular South Korean online fashion retailer known for its trendy streetwear, diverse brands, and a strong community focus among young shoppers. MUSINSA has its offline store in South Korea, but for me, living in America, the most often way to use it is through online shopping. This service is made available as a mobile application as well as a website on desktop. I will primarily be focused on the website one, as it is my usual way to purchase clothes on MUSINSA. I will first be going over the usability principle that MUSINSA adhere from. The first one is strive for consistency. The principle of striving for consistency means that interface should allow consistent patterns in layout, terminology, colors, and interaction to help users predict behavior and learn the system faster. For example, one of the ways that MUSINSA adhere to consistency can be seen in how they present all their products in the same format. This is an example layout of the product. As shown in this figure, MUSINSA consistently displays product card with the same structure, the image on top followed by brand name, the product name, the price, and a heart icon for saving to a wish list. From figure 2 to figure 4, we can see this uniformity across different products and categories. This consistency makes the site easier to browse and understand, especially for new users. This consistency can help users quickly understand how to navigate between trend items, filter options, and viewing product details. Another key usability rule is to offer informative feedback. The definition of this term is that the system should always keep users informed about what is going on through appropriate and timely feedback for their action. On MUSINSA site, clicking the heart icon to save an item to a wish list changed the icon from gray to red, indicating that the action was successful. Moreover, in this image, we can see the product page for hoodie. The shopping cart icon at the top shows a 0, meaning the cart is empty. Then, when the user clicks the Add to Bag button, the website responds in two clear ways. First, the cart icon in the top right corner updates immediately, showing that one item has been added. Second, a confirmation message appears at the bottom of the screen saying item added to the bag with a view button. These actions are great examples of timely and clear feedback. They assure users that their interaction was successful, keeping them informed and reducing confusion. Moving into accessibility, one principle the MUSINSA website followed by is the understandable principle, which includes language of page. The definition of it is that the web page should declare the main language of the content in the HTML code so that screen readers and other tools can pronounce that correctly and provide accurate support. When you visit the US version of the MUSINSA site, the HTML code tells screen reader to read the content using English pronunciation rule. And when you switch to Japan, the URL becomes something like global.musinsa.com GP, so the screen reader will now read Japanese content correctly using Japanese rules. And also, the website changed the visible language into Japanese. This benefits users with more clear and native language UI contents. MUSINSA does violate one accessibility guideline, the perceivable. In detail, it is contrast minimum. According to a guideline, text must have enough contrast against its background to be easily readable by users with visual impairment. However, according to the WAV report, there is 70 contrast error in this page. For example, those light gray text and button which don't meet the minimum contrast ratio of 5.5 to 1, it's hard for users to notice the information on it. Meanwhile, this can cause difficulty for users with low vision or color blindness. In summary, MUSINSA effectively incorporates several usability principles, such as striving for consistency and offering informative feedback, which enhance the overall user experience. Additionally, the set attention to language accessibility demonstrates a commitment to inclusive, making it more user-friendly for a diverse audience. However, MUSINSA must address its accessibility shortcomings, particularly regarding contrast ratio, to ensure that all users, including those with visual impairment, can navigate the set comfortably. And this is my reference page. Thank you.